Okay, so this video is going to be about a first aid kit for your van. Traditionally, you can just buy a pre-made first aid kit, but I wanted to make a first aid kit so that you can have 10 times what you would have in just like a pre-made one. So I went on Target, had a couple coupons and stuff like that, and I just bought everything individually. I just Google searched what is common for a first aid kit that's going to be in a mobile van. Like I said, everything's from Target. I didn't do much name brand because it's all the same anyway. So everything in this video is going to be what I got Sam for his first aid kit. And like I said, I'm building this first aid kit from scratch. My boyfriend's an airplane mechanic, so I like to stick with the heavier duty stuff because the cuts you get can be pretty serious. So this is the container I'm going to put everything in. It's waterproof, airtight, all the things, which is good for some of like the things I have in the first aid kit. And in here he has pickable foam, so if I want to, I can like shadow everything. But I probably won't because I don't think it's necessary. But he loves shadowed things, so maybe I'll do it just special for him. We have our box that everything's gonna go in. This is gonna be the first aid kit. This is from Harbor Freight, I believe. So this is gonna be his first aid kit. And then I'm going to show you guys everything I got for the first aid kit. And that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and just follow us along on this journey.